Hello, my friends and Jim. So I just wanted to show you how to use idecide on your phone. Okay. So the first thing you're going to do. So I have a gal here. I met her in Vegas. Her name is Lisa. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to send her the interactive URLs. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my phone and see the idecide app. I'm going to tap that. And then I'm going to go to see it says over here, add a contact. I'm going to hit add a contact. And then I've got this pop down menu and it says enter new contact, import single contact. That's what I'm going to do because I don't want to enter all the information. I'm going to import and I'm going to look for her name here. So I'm going to just enter it in my cell phone app. It says select a contact, enter her first and her last name because I have many Lisas in my thing. Okay, so now I see Lisa shows up. Whoops. Yeah, Lisa BWE. She shows up. And then next thing I'm going to do is send idecide because she imported, as you can see here, her last. I put people's first name, last name, and then where I met them, which is BWE is where I met her. So now I'm going to send this and I'm going to pick. In this case, I know she speaks English. If I'm not sure if I notice an accent and they may speak a foreign language, I can just put auto detect viewer's language. But in her case, I'm going to hit English. And then the next option is you're going to do text, WhatsApp, other, or copy on clipboard. So in my case, I'm going to go text message. That's most of these, almost every single one I've done text message. Then now it's going to show up in my text message app for my phone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the top of the message and it says, hello, Lisa. Hey, Lisa. I like to put a red dot at the beginning so it pops from all the different text messages that they're receiving. They're going to see this red dot, brings attention to it. Subliminally, it's inferring a red blood cell. And since we're doing stem cells, it makes sense, doesn't it? Okay. And then it says here, hey, Lisa, here's the interactive presentation I was telling you about. Take a look and we'll talk afterwards. And then it has an exclamation mark. After the exclamation mark, I'm going to hit enter. And I'm going to put my name so she knows it's coming from me. Because if she just sees that and there's no signature from me, she may not know who it's coming from. And she might have a lot going on. So I'm just going to put here my name. And now I hit, once I put my name, I can go send. And now you see my message to her. It says, hey, Lisa, the information, she'll see that graphic because that goes to the URL that I sent her. And now she's going to get that interactive presentation that as she watches it and starts to answer the question, it'll tailor the presentation to her, whether she just wants personal use, if she wants to do personal use and build the business, or she's just really gung-ho about the business opportunity. It'll tailor it to her. That's it. Brief, short, quick, fast tracking you to use idecide. Hope this helps. Ciao for now.